This was a hoarder's house before. So here we go. This is the downstairs entryway, and there's a room off here to the right. I'll take you through here. This is really nice. They used to have ducks in here, but this whole area brings in so much sun. It could be a greenhouse, and it really heats up from the southern side of the house. So this is going in the back, laundry. This is the little bathroom you saw when you come on. So my friends have been fixing this place up, and they asked me to come help them clean. This is a nice bathroom. This was full of rust. I'll put the link so y'all can see. This is what I'm still working on. The tub is a little yuck, but working on that. And we'll go upstairs. My friends live in an earthship just across the street. Hi, Erica. This is the kitchen. I had to scrub this stove out, the oven out. I got some food in there now. One of the bedrooms with a little closet. New bathroom. We gotta work on that, but look at the nice work Kim did. And we're back here at the kitchen. And this is a nice little family room. You could even make 2 homes out of this. Little bedroom. A nice bathroom, like a second master. Huge closet. And then you come out here. And this is where I love to sit every morning, overlooking the river. We got a little bit of work to do out here. This is going to get some of that Gulf grass out here, but this is so warm to sit right here. And this is my morning view, y'all. But it's time to say goodbye to this place. Pagosa Springs has been fun.